Hey guys, my name is Steve with Pacific Lawn Sprinklers. I'm here with Hugo. He runs a franchise in New Jersey. How long have you been doing irrigation, Hugo?
I've been doing it for 16 years. I started in 2005-ish, 2006.
Oh wow,
Yeah.
That's a long time. Okay.
Yeah.
How many trucks in that franchise are you running?
We're running 3 trucks.
3 trucks.
3 trucks plus the install crew.
So, and you started off, you guys started with 1 truck.
With 1 truck, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you built it up, now you're up to 3.
Right.
Okay. Wow, that's nice. So you got your hands full, but
pretty much, yeah.
do we make it easy for you? You know, we do the scheduling, we do the advertising, all that. Do we make that end of it easy for you?
Yeah, it's very easy. Once you get used to learn the system, you know, it's very efficient. You know, timing for all of the guys and the way how it works. Very easy to use.
Okay.
As well.
All right, cool. And so now Hugo's doing winterizations, blowouts. How many blowouts you do a day?
Well, I can do up to 12, depending on the size of the system.
Right.
But I range from 12 to 17 stops a day.
Okay. Oh,
Yeah,
that's pretty good. All right, Hugo works really hard. And my last question for you is when are you going to be in the $1 Million Club?
Hopefully next year.
Yeah. All right, guys. Thank you very much.
All right.
All right, thanks for watching.